Hi, I'm John Wallace, the Area Sales Manager for CMG Financial, here to help you better understand the terms and the processes if you're buying your first home or a second home, an investment property, or refinancing a home for your family.
One of the things that all underwriters at any bank, credit union, or lender are required to look at is 1 or 2 months of bank statements. Usually, we're seeing your payroll, retirement, Social Security, or VA benefits being electronically deposited. One of the things we're required to look for is large, unexplained deposits. Any deposit in your bank account that exceeds 25 to 50% of your monthly income could be considered a large deposit, depending on the lender. We're required by law to look for large deposits to make sure that your money comes from a legal source. Banks are required by law to report suspicious activity in your bank account that could indicate money laundering, embezzlement, drug dealing, any other criminal, illegal activity that, of course, you wouldn't do. Unexplained deposits can indicate that you took out a loan or cash advance and deposited the proceeds into your bank account. You can't borrow money to get a mortgage. Before finalizing your loan, lenders are required to analyze all the money you have received and deposited into an account to ensure no fraud or illegal activity is going on. Large deposits are often an indication of recently opened liabilities from an unknown source or cash that was buried in your backyard. If you've recently deposited a large sum of money into a checking or savings account and are about to apply for a loan, be prepared to provide a detailed explanation and complete documentation, including copies of the checks, or if you sold a car, a copy of the vehicle title transfer, for example, to the lender. Sometimes young couples getting married have deposits from wedding gifts that would need to be documented. I know a lot of folks who keep cash at home, but making a large deposit from cash into a checking or savings account that can't be verified or documented is a sure way to delay your closing and in some cases completely prevent you from buying the house. The best way to avoid the problem is to not have any large deposits into your bank account in the 60 days leading up to applying for a mortgage. If you have no option but to deposit a large sum in your account, be prepared to document. With a little planning, you can save yourself a big headache and ensure that your home buying experience goes as smoothly as possible.
I'm John Wallace, the Area Sales Manager for CMG Financial, here to help you better understand the processes and the terms if you're buying a home for your family. For more information, just contact me or reach out to your nearest CMG Financial office. Thanks for watching.